Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number E2481P. 40,000 miles on this Grand Caravan, comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called White Knuckle. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 124-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum carrier coverage with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights and rear heat and air control. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, with heated steering wheel and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, power liftgate and sliding door controls, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan is a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. Very clean under the hood. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance, anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.